Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video on how I get some of my fastest results with Radionics, and it incorporates basically like basic candle magic. But the first thing to do is get a candle. I like these vigil candles, and the first thing you want to do is clean it. And usually when I clean it, I just use a stick of selenite, So then we just go and get our stick. Dial our rate. Put the candle over to the output plate, turn it on. Usually this only takes a few hours, but I'll usually take a pendulum and ask just in case. All right, is this gonna take 2 hours? Is it gonna take more than 2 hours? Is it gonna take about 3 hours? Okay. Yeah, usually it only takes like 2 or 3 hours. Then after about 3 hours, I'll come and check on it. Like, is it finished? Yes, it is. And it's ready to use. I also like these brass pendulums. I like the weight to them. But anyway, a lot of times I would just put it on the box and clean it, and then go to work and come home and then just do my actual operation. Let's leave that there for now. I also wanted to show a couple of basic ideas for witness samples I like to use. Most people that are into spirituality have extra tarot decks lying around. So I just have a couple tarot cards for wealth. This is the wealth card. This is success. I have a $2 bill. $2 bills from leap years are especially good for doing money magic. A lodestone. Sometimes I'll put something like that on there just to hold everything down, so like a breeze or a gust of wind doesn't blow your witness sample off. And if you're doing it for like a specific purpose, like for a lot of prosperity, a lot of people are going for like work, so you can just write down like, I have the perfect job, so you can find the perfect job or something. And I'll place this, if I'm going to do an operation like this, I'll place it face down on the copper plate. And these can just go right side up. Another good thing to use for a witness sample, if you're doing prosperity magic, is a gold coin. This is just a 1/4 ounce gold coin, but they work great. I don't always usually, I just kind of keep it put away, but sometimes I use it. I guess for the sake of the demonstration, I'll use it. I won't even use that. So, and once again, you just focus on your new job or money coming in, whatever your intent is. Focus on it. Maybe speak it out loud. And then dial your rate. Get your stick. There we go. Put it over to the output plate and run it. Now, when I'm doing this way with the candle magic, I'll let the candle charge for at least 3 days, but I usually try to go for about a week. A lot of times I'll, like a lot of people will do money magic on either a Sunday or a Wednesday or a mostly usually Thursday for Jupiter. So I'll usually start it on a Thursday and then take it off and use it on a Thursday or a Wednesday or a Sunday, whatever day I'm using. So let's just say Wednesday. We're doing this for Wednesday, because by the time this video airs tomorrow, it'll be Wednesday. So I'll take it off on the next Wednesday, and when I take it off and use it on, I have an altar that I use for money magic. So when I take it off and use it on the money altar, I'll still let the box run for about 2 days, 3 days, basically until the candle burns down to about here, because it's still charging during that entire time. Even when the candle's off the machine after it's been on for a few days, it's still charging. So I'll usually leave it on, and I'll just make use it as part of an offering on my money altar. I'll just use a couple sticks of incense, maybe some tea lights, and a vigil candle, and it works a few ways. One way that it works is it fills the candle up with lots of energy, and and that's something that the spirits or whatever you're working with have a lot of energy into it, so they can use that to accomplish the task. And another thing that it does is it releases the energy. And for whatever reason, when you release the energy and you forget about it, it manifests so much faster. And that's something a lot of occultists will tell you, a lot of magicians will tell you that. And then another thing, the reason why I like to do it this way is sometimes radionics will manifest in a couple days, sometimes it takes a couple of weeks, sometimes it takes a couple of months, but it could even take a whole year, and doing it this way, it gives you time to repurpose your machine, you know. Uh, so it frees up your machine. So if you only have like one or two radionics machines, this will kind of keep it going in a flow, and so after I take this off, go and light it on my money altar. Once it burns down to about here, a little bit more than halfway, I will turn the machine off. But then, a lot of times, especially if I have a um, if I don't need the machine anytime soon, a lot of times while that's burning, I will go ahead and um, dial a new rate, and then use the machine like I would like a regular radionics machine, and just let it go after the candle burns down, just for extra. And that works great. But gosh, I don't even know. I think that's about it.